So Machomi, you add that name and you're like, no, I'm not a DJ. Your auntie's favorite DJ. And then upusha leona. What made you tata to an extent that decide let's panic as and I'm focusing on this music thing.
Okay. Yes, Spani, ne?
Yeah.
Spani agasihela because niggas hell. No, Vanko.
Okay.
COVID did us dirty.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
Yeah. And then for the company, it was good for them.
Okay.
Thinking, all right, there's people, we're paying them this much.
Oh.
So we can have Baba Funyan, Warba Patelang, Chelte Inya. So, yeah. Then just, you know what, I was not even happy about the work. So I'll push it there.
Yeah.
Because happy, Joe. When I'm there, I'm happy.
Yeah.
No matter what, I'm happy.
So you've been in this industry for quite some time now.